Meaning of immemorial.
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 Immemorial. The word immemorial refers to a time period that is so far back in history that it cannot be remembered by anyone. It suggests a sense of antiquity and long-standing tradition. The term is often used to describe ancient customs, practices, and beliefs that have been passed down through generations for centuries or even millennia. The word immemorial has a solemn and reverent connotation, suggesting a deep respect for the wisdom and knowledge of our ancestors. This term emphasizes the importance of cultural heritage and reminds us of the vast scope of human history.